You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. It's a name that has German origins, but it's also very close to a Gaelic Irish name. The pronunciation in English is as Kellen. Yes, just like Ellen, but with a K. Kellen. Do you pronounce it any differently? Let us know your pronunciation in the comments. How to pronounce Kellen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.